If you want to get Roblox Plus on mobile, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you get Roblox Plus, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and sign into your account. Next, tap on the More or Menu option. Select Roblox Plus if it is available on your account. If you don't see Roblox Plus, update the Roblox app from the App Store or Google Play Store and open it again. Roblox says Plus is available on the latest mobile app versions. Once Roblox Plus appears, tap subscribe and review the subscription details. Then confirm the purchase through your Apple App Store or Google Play account. After the subscription is confirmed, return to Roblox and check your account to make sure Roblox Plus is active. Keep in mind that Roblox Plus is a paid subscription, so review the price and billing details before confirming. Roblox Plus does not automatically include a monthly Robux stipend, although separate plus 500, plus 1000, and plus 2000 bundles are available.